biggest and heaviest.
I think this one.
That one isn't really heavy. I haven't looked at his things are going out now. Ooh, big boy. This is one we've had for 23 years. So we were at your son's party 5 years ago. He was there. And this one too. Same thing. We've had him all these years. Come on. And Gordon, you can get off too. Boomer, come on. Good job. Gordon can go right on the table. So if you want to lower his beak down to the table level, excellent job. Let's hear for our new trainer, huh? You did a good job. Okay, so we've got some Bluebird here on the table, and he would like to perform his tricks. Today he rides the bicycle too, kids, but not backward. Which way should he go? Frontward? Never heard forward? Sideways. Sideways. Everybody say, go, Gordon, go! Don't forget to clap for Gordon. Good job, Gordon. Yay! Gordon's a big bird with a lot of energy, but he needs something to know that people are counting on him. Otherwise, he just doesn't want to do his tricks.